I feel like it would be a crime if I didn't show you how I customize the spreadsheet to help me save time when I'm meal planning for the week. And you know the drill. I create spreadsheets. They're highly customizable so you can save time. First thing that I did was put Friday as the first day in my meal planner tab because Friday is when I do all of the planning and the grocery shopping. I also usually don't plan for lunch. Lunch is most of the time leftovers or I just whip something really quick with staples. So I mainly focus on breakfast, which is always the same meal, and dinner. Now, you are going to notice that I did not put Friday's breakfast in here. That's just because by the time I do this, I already had breakfast today. Now, for dinner today, we are going to do takeout. Tomorrow is going to be very interesting because we are having friends over for a battle of cheddar biscuits. So I need to account for my cheddar biscuit and my husband's cheddar biscuit. He thinks that he can beat me on it. It's actually going to be a competition, and some of her friends are also bringing some of their biscuits for us to try. On Sunday, we will be playing games all day, and whoever wins a certain amount of games determines where we're going to eat. On Monday, we're going to be having quesadillas. On Tuesday, pasta. On Wednesday, shrimp tacos. And on Thursday, cinnamon roll pancakes. Now that I have picked the meals for the entire week, I go through the list and check off anything that I already have at home. My grocery list is ready to go, and it's super easy to go to the grocery store and pick up everything that I need. Let me know in the comments, how do you plan the meals for the week?